Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position, white to play and win, and white pawn is moving forward in this direction and black pawns are moving downward in this direction. And though it's white to play and win, white must find the only winning move, otherwise this wouldn't be a win. So go ahead and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, if we play rook to f1, that looks very nice. We are going to threaten checkmate on f8. That looks winning. But this is not the correct move because now in this position, black is going to play king to e8. And it looks like we don't have any checkmating idea, right? So we can actually give a check, but that doesn't do anything. Black is going to get and get our pawn, right? So this move doesn't work. So what other options do we have? Well, let me tell you something. The king cannot defend the rook if it's a check. So we do have some kind of skill or idea where we give a check, some kind of check on f file, on h file, or on g file to win the rook. But we have to find that, right? We have to figure out that, and we do have a promoting this plan idea. So we do have two ideas, and as you can see, our king is ideally placed where the opponent's king is poorly placed, right? So that is the thing though. So the first correct move is g6, sacrificing the pawn, but the idea is pretty clever because in this position, the idea is clever because in this position, black cannot capture our pawn because we are going to play rook to h1, and this is going to be checkmate. And if black moves the king to uh, c8, we are going to play king to c6, and now black cannot play to b8 because of black's own pawn. This is going to be just checkmate. So anyway, black is going to lose the game if black captures our pawn. So that is why we give the pawn, right? So black is not an idiot, right? Black is not going to capture the pawn and get checkmated, right? So if after this we are going to play rook to h1, and it doesn't matter what black plays. Black can also play to the other direction, but that would make the black king go further from the king, and we do have this skewering idea winning the rook at the end. So let's go back to this position. Well, in this position, black can also push the pawn. That is another way of playing this position, but if black do so, we are going to play g7. And now, as you can see, black cannot do anything, right? This is going to be checkmate. On the next move, black has to move the king, and we are going to make a queen, and black has to move, and we are going to capture the rook for free, and this is absolutely winning. So this is what we are going to do. In fact, the best move is not to move the pawn in this position. For black, the best response is to play king to e8. Well, we have to be really careful here because if we simply push our pawn, black is going to play king to f7 and get our pawn. So this is not the correct move. Of course, pushing is not the correct move. We have to capture black's pawn while we are moving forward by capturing the pawn, and still we are one move away from the square of promotion. but black is not out of trick yet. Black is going to play king to f7 and automatically unleash the attack of the rook, which prevents us from promoting our pawn. So I would invite you to pause the video again to try and guess the move on your own. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back again. I would simply appreciate you guys for your comments and supports. Really appreciate it. So here it look like we can't actually promote our pawn, but there is a single way, right? So what less experienced people do in this position is play rook to h1, but that is really not a good move, because black is going to play rook to h8, and we cannot do anything, right, to stop black from capturing the pawn, right? So our best bet is to just go to the corner on the next move. No matter what, black is going to capture our pawn, and we have to capture that. And of course, this is just a draw, right? Black is going to capture it back, and this is a draw. So what should we do then? Well, the only winning move in this position is rook takes a7 check. Well, now black is forced to capture with the rook, right? At least black technically has to capture the rook, otherwise we are going to simply capture the rook and win the game, whatever. So black will capture the rook, and now we are going to promote our pawn to a queen, and this is obviously winning for us, and we can actually win a rook with a queen, right? So this is actually the solution of the puzzle. For a recap, first we are going to play g6, just offering a straight a pawn, offering just a free pawn, right? But black cannot accept that because of this move rook to h1, and this is such a devastating checkmate threat which the king has to deal with, right? So no matter what black plays, black is going to give the rook on the next move, and we are going to win the rook and this pawn and this pawn as well. We do have a rook, right? So if black ignores the pawn and play king to e8 instead, we are going to capture the pawn, and we are going to threaten to promote. In this position, the only black strike is king to f7, but we are going to play rook takes a7 check, and that is going to be the end of the puzzle. When we get a queen, well, black is going to be end up with only a rook, and this is absolutely winning. So this is the solution. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.